For tonight I'm yours. Yo, shout out guys, another tutorial, another song naman tayo. So, ang title ay For Tonight from Gibbon. So, ewan ko kung anong tamang saktong pronunciation, no? So, For Tonight, magandang kanta. Medyo ilang taon na rin itong na-release, pero maganda. Tuturo ko sa inyo. 3 chords lang ito guys. At maglalagay rin tayo ng plucking pattern, no? Ituturo ko yung piano note. So, madali lang naman yun ay ituro ko dito. So, pati string pattern. So, start tayo kaagad. Siguro mga chords muna, no? So, eto. 3 chords, buong kanta. F sharp minor. And then, simple D. At simple A. So, mga basic chords lang ginamit, no? Ang D at A. So, F sharp minor lang, medyo mahirap sa mga beginners. So, yan na. For tonight, and then yung plucking pattern, meron kasing piano note to. Ganito lang yun. So, second string, ganyan lang. So, ganyan lang. Pluck, then, yan. So, pluck, then pindot, okay? Okay? Pluck, pindot, okay? Pluck, second string yan na. Pluck, pindot, okay? And then, bitaw. Okay, bitawan lang, second string pa rin, okay? Okay, ting ting, bitaw no, bitaw. Ting ting, ting ting. So, sorry. Second string lang, second string. Ting, then second string. So, replay niya na no. Ting ting. So, yung intro, meron kasi doon sa mga intro eh. So, yan lang no. And then, ang strumming naman tayo. Yan lang, replay niya lang no. Madali lang naman yun. Second string lang yan. Pluck, pindot, then bitaw, pindot. Ting, 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 ting. Okay. Then, yung string pattern, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Play natin na. For tonight, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, ting, 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 down. So, madali lang guys, no? Down, up, down, up, down. So, yan lang, short tutorial lang ito kasi 3 chords lang nga at yung type pattern, replay nyo lang no, para master nyo. At pati string pattern, madali lang naman. At yan muna ang tutorial, hanggang dito muna ang tutorial natin. See you sa mga next na uploads. Abangan nyo mga next upload natin. Next week ulit. O sa end of week, tingnan natin kung maka-upload pa tayo ng isa pang kanta. So, bye bye guys. For tonight.